Good morning. Welcome to the chapter 4 of my Ladakh bike trip. Today we are all very excited to ride through the Kardungla Pass, which is the highest motorable road in India. Actually, Umlingla is the highest motorable road. Kardungla was the highest motorable road before that. Usually it will be very crowded there, and sometimes you have to fight to get a place and take a photo. It was very cold over there, and our guide advised not to stay there for more than 10-15 minutes, but due to our excitement we spent almost half an hour or more than half an hour there and took a couple of shots. If you get slightest headache or uneasiness, don't stop over there. Just continue your journey and reach the lower altitude. We experienced a very little snowfall here. This Kardungla Pass is around 72 kilometers from the Leh city, and it takes around 2 to 3 hours to reach here. Our destination today is Under, which is 120 kilometers from Leh city. There is another route via NH3, which is a bit longer. Another reason to be excited about today's journey was the Diskit Monastery, where there is a tall Buddha statue, and I was dreaming of flying my drone over there. As we reached to lower altitude, I took some drone shots. The view from here is just awesome, but for some reason I was not able to fly my drone for a longer distance. I started getting maximum distance reached error on my drone, so I stopped flying my drone. We continued our journey, and there was a bit of off-roading here. There is a tar road also on the other side. If you are not able to drive here, you can take that route also. But it was fun riding in the mud road. You have to be careful while driving on this mud road because there are chances of skidding and tire puncture. We reached Nubra filling station point by evening around 5:30. We were very close to our destination. From here we have to take a left and then we will reach the Diskit Monastery. The road here is just fantastic. Looks like a runway. On the way to Diskit, we saw this small falls. On the right side you are seeing the Shayok river. You can see how broad it is, but water was less. I think it is more of a seasonal river. Finally we reached Diskit Monastery by evening 6:30, but a huge disappointment was there for me. It was a no drone zone because of some military establishment there. They denied flying drone there. So we just took a couple of photos there and continued our journey to Under. Tomorrow we are going to the Turtuk village. So please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my future videos. Thank you.